all have questions.
I'm nervous about my school play.
What if I don't make the team?
How can I surprise my mom for her birthday?
I want to help you find the answers. Highlights welcomes you to another episode of Ask Arizona! Curing the Hiccup? Jitters by Lissa Rovetch. Dear Arizona, when I have to take a test or give a presentation, I get so stressed that I feel sick to my stomach. Do you have advice for people like me? Signed, Nervous in Nebraska. Dear Nervous, tests and presentations stress me out too. And I know what you mean about getting so nervous that you feel sick. One time, I was so worked up about taking a test that I started to hiccup.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?